Hi, welcome to second part of tutorial about how to create age bucket in smart reporting. I am Mayur. For those who haven't seen the first part, I strongly suggest you guys to go back and see the first part and then come back here. So in first part, we had seen what is a calculated object in smart reporting, how to create a calculated object, how to calculate age of an entity, and now in continuation to that, we're gonna use same age object which we created earlier and going to create age bucket object. So this way we will also cover the concept of using one calculated object to create another calculated object. So let's get started. So again, click here on this plus sign to create a new calculated field. So let's name it as age bucket. So this time I am going to use simple formula type which allows me to define my own calculation. So we're gonna use case statement here. So what it does, it's based on the value of the data or the field which you select, it does something. Okay, so click on case. Here we need to define when and then part of the case statement. Okay, so let's search for the field on which we are going to define the condition, which is nothing but age of incidents, right? So by clicking on it, it gets added to the formula. So let's define the condition which is less than and click here to post it to the formula. So we are going to define two age buckets. First one is less than 100 days and other one is more than 100 days. And one other thing you need to notice here, you cannot directly type here in this text box. So to enter a value from keyboard, we use this particular text box. Means we type here the value which we want to post and click here to post it there into the formula. If I want to change the value which I have added, I can click here on undo button and it allows you to modify last change which you have done into the formula. So let's define the then part. So whenever the value of age of incident is less than 100, in that case I want to show less than 100 days. Okay, let's define else part of the calculation now. Click here on else. It opens up a window to define the else part of the calculation, and here we gonna put more than 100 days. Okay, all right. So that is my calculation. As intentionally I have made a typo here, which is what I do a lot, So you can directly click on that, which opens up that part of calculation and then allows you to edit it. So I have corrected the typo. So I'm gonna click on validate. This is something which validates the formula which you have defined in the formula builder and returns back a message saying SQL is valid if it is valid. So I'm gonna click on save, and woohoo, we have our age bucket ready to use in the report. So let's pull the age bucket with number of incidents here in. And here you can see these many incidents have age less than 100 days and the remaining incidents have age more than 100 days. Thank you for watching. Please watch all other videos of smart reporting to have better understanding of the product.